What is up, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 8.3 using Taiji 2.0. You can see I'm running 8.3. The Apple Watch app is there. I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to make sure that iCloud is either signed out or Find My iPhone is disabled. Make sure passcode is off. And let's just prove to you by going in general and about that I'm running 8.3, just in case the Apple Watch app wasn't enough for you. So now I'm just going to open up the Taiji tool for 2.0. You can download this from iDownload blog. Just right click, select run as administrator. This is Windows only. Click yes. And then here is the tool. It's going to detect your device. Make sure your device is plugged into your computer. Then you want to uncheck the 3K assistant. Make sure you leave the Cydia option checked, and then just click start. Make sure obviously your device is being detected by Taiji. The jailbreak process will start, and if you get hung up at this spot right here at 20%, then check down below in the description. I have a tutorial for fixing that error, because a lot of people are experiencing problems with just hanging at 20% and the device reboots and you just get an error message at the end of the day. But as you can see, I have bypassed the 20%. I'm on the 30%, 40%, and so on. So this is a fairly quick jailbreak. It doesn't take long at all. Extremely quick, actually. And if you get this little storage almost full error on your iPhone screen, just ignore that. There's no big deal. We'll just completely ignore it. And jailbreak succeeded. So all you do is just click close here and we're done on our Windows machine. That's all we need Windows for. Now it's just all about the iPhone now. And as you can see, it's rebooting. And in a second, we should be on our home screen with Cydia right next to that good old Apple Watch app. So we know that this is an interesting predicament we find ourselves in with the Apple Watch app and a jailbroken iPhone. Who knows what the future holds? We're almost up here. And let's see. Here we go. All right, so let's unlock. If you get that storage almost full error, just ignore it. Don't worry about that. Swipe over. There's Cydia. There's the Apple Watch app. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you jailbreak iOS 8.3 with Taiji 2.0. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is Jeff with iDownload blog.